Hi, my name is Rob. I have a company called Tubs and Stuff and a website called tubsandstuff.net. I had ITD make this website for me not quite a year ago. Let me give you a little bit of background history here. I've been doing my work of bathtub repair, refinishing, and recoloring for about 30 years. Most of that time, and after the first few years of being in business, it was important to have a website. Late 90s, and I did a lot of that myself. I trusted other people who wrecked things over those years, and then I took the reins back, and after that had done a lot of the stuff myself. I was pretty proud. I had a lot of content. It was very comprehensive, and then I deducted one time, not quite a year ago, my website was not very scroll friendly. I'd pull it up on my phone, pull up my website on my phone, and I discover that it's not very scroll friendly. Words were running off the page, or you had to pinch to see everything. I had too many buttons. You had to move around. I did all the right advertising things like call now, or click here for this. Okay, so that part wasn't bad. But when I got a hold of ITD and had them do this nice website here, I'm not going to go through it, but you can find tubsandstuff.net or see them on their page. They're going to be glad that I left a review. What they did was edit out a lot of the extra stuff, a lot of the clutter that I had put in there. And it's now a lot less confusing to a first-time site visitor, and less distracting. So they did the editing. They did this beautiful job. This thing runs very, very smoothly. And I know they do a lot of different things, but this is one fantastic thing that I think they pulled off, and they should really feel like this is a feather in their cap. So there's somebody I think you can trust too.